The video is all about this today. Why? Because this is an adapter. I got this from Amazon, and if you buy this adapter from Dji Osmo Pocket, it is approx 5,000. So I bought this in Amazon, and this cost me 1600 rupees. So let's see, and I think this worked for me. This can work for you too if you buy this. So this is only 17 or 1600 rupees. So let's see the sound. No, I've joined an adapter. This is how it sounds. You can go in Amazon and buy this. So I'll give you the name, so stay tuned. This is iEDS adapter. So you can go in Amazon and get this one. So this is how it sounds by connecting an adapter. This is how it sounds without connecting an adapter. Hello, this is Vivek. So now see how it sounds with an adapter. Hello, what's up guys, this is Vivek. This is how it sounds with an adapter. This works, so go for it. You can buy on Amazon. This is iEDS adapter. So thank you for watching. I think this helped you. It helped me. So go for it. You can buy in Amazon at 1600 rupees. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Vivek Thapa. Thank you so much. Bye.